I was always been passionate about wood and woodworking, and travel was a very big part in my life. In 2017, my dream to open a creative studio came true in Mysore, and BWS or Bram Woodworking Studio was born.
BWS is a company with mixed principles, culture, generations, and a strong language barrier that is bridged by the shared enthusiasm in the field of design and products. We offer our clients custom-made furniture and unique spaces that cater to their demand and need.
Being a very innovative machine manufacturer, we always want to test our competencies in a creative way. During the course, we were looking for a potential partner, and then we came across BWS.
They approached us with a challenge to create masterpieces with our design and their technology.
Their creativity was throwing challenges on our machine, software, machinability and execution of part programs.
Then we came up with two masterpieces, Leon and Ellipse.
These were designed to showcase our skills and the application of the machine in a new and innovative manner.
Every line, every curve, every complex profile drawn on the design software has to be converted as machine language.
BSolid was found to be a very strong software that realized our ideas and translated our models to the machine. The use of technical mediums such as jigs and templates strengthened the relationship between man and machine to substantially elevate the efficiency of both.
This collaboration has opened up new possibilities to bring to life our challenging design with Biesse's woodworking technology.
Creating a masterpiece is only possible when creativity and technology go hand in hand. We have seen this as an example in the making of Ellipse and Leon.
The combination of design process thinking, wood theory, advanced carpentry, and intelligent innovative technologies worked harmoniously to oversee this project.
Thoughts to things is a reality, and it is evident with Biesse machines.